Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to SSD optimize one click for new progress in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for defragment and optimize drives. You have to click on this. Here you can see your SSD. You have to click on this and click on optimize. Press and close. So this is how you can SSD optimize one click for new progress. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.